What's up everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, it was my birthday recently, a couple of days ago, and I've literally been waiting patiently for a day that I could actually unbox my gift for my girlfriend. So just to show you guys what she got me for my birthday. She said it's something correlated, so excited to see what it is. So let's check it out. She said that this wrapping paper doesn't stick very well, so yeah, what can you do? A whole bunch of tape. Oh yeah, she got us some weed bix, babes. Okay, let's check. Let's get it on top. Ooh, I see something awesome. Whoa. Okay, firstly, I have to look at these. Whoa, holy shit. She actually printed some of my photos that I took actually this weekend. Wow. This is insane. Whoever's car that is, you have some dope pictures. Here's some more. Let's see. Here's some more of the pictures. I don't know where to put this. This is pretty dope. Holy shit. I'm definitely going to be putting all of these on my wall. That's so insane. Oh, here's another one in the frame. Insane, bro. Yo. And then first small box is a Boss Hub kit for what I can see is the steering wheel, but I'm gonna show you guys that now. Okay, I'm gonna read my card afterwards. Oh, Benjamin. But guys, just look at this fucking OMP. Like, honestly, how amazing is this girlfriend of mine? Like, getting me an OMP steering wheel for my Ford. I mean, like, OMP and Ford just go hand in hand together, so this is insane. Alcantara steering wheel from OMP. Yo, guys, this girl has been spoiling me. And then this is the Momo quick release hub kit. Actually want to see, it says purple, so let's check what it looks like. Oh my god, guys, just check how fucking sick this is. Oh shit. Oops, I don't even. Momo Italy Boss hub kit for a Mach 6 Fiesta. So this is gonna look really sick with the quick release. And then, oh no, wrong way. This is gonna be so sick. And then we have the fucking insane OMP steering wheel. It's finally install time. Sorry if the quality is a bit shitty. I'm really keen to do this video and my GoPro is currently on charge, so I'm using my P30 Lite to do this video. Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna install this steering wheel now that I got for my birthday from my girlfriend. I'm really excited. I've watched a couple of videos. Pretty much no one really gives clear instructions. Everyone just fucking wings it and just goes. But I'm gonna try give a bit more detailed and explained video about how to do it, how to install an aftermarket steering wheel. Just a advisor, I am not going to be putting in the restrictor for the airbag now, so my airbag light is going to be on until I can find a restrictor. I couldn't go to any shops today to go try and find one, so just be noted of that. And I'm not sure of the wiring of the horn, so I will be watching a video alongside me doing this, just to be double sure about the horn, that I can get that connected. And I will be disconnecting the battery as well. That's a very important point, just for your own safety, so the airbag doesn't blow in your face. I'm still pretty scared, but I'm disconnecting the battery. So with that being said, let me get that done first thing straight away. So after a bit of research, first thing you gotta do is remove this plastic. So you're gonna grip here, just pull back gently, and then you can't take it out because mine is still connected to this, which is
shite. Let me just see how much. Disconnect this. I'm gonna disconnect this. You just put it like this. Alright, okay, cut that off. Then you take your T25 bit and you're gonna loosen the screws at the bottom here. There's 3. I have 2 because the one is gone, obviously. But yeah, let me just get to that. You're just gonna see me go upside down real quick. After you've taken out 2 of these T25 hex bolts, you're gonna want to take off these plastics. Just keep in mind, it's my first time doing this, so I'm experiencing this with you guys, and I'm just going off what I saw of another video. Okay, so just pull the top one off first, then the bottom one should come right off. So once you've taken off those plastics, you'll sort of the bare back end like this, as you can see. And then behind here, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. Behind here there's screws which I need to get to in order to clip this off, so please wish me luck. Almost got taken for a fool, lads. Remember to turn the steering wheel so these holes stick out, and that's why you take off the plastics at the back here, so you can access these holes. Oh, finally got the airbag off, so just a little tug here and pull. Oh no, I think I clipped the one back in. Yep. So you pull upwards when you have the tongs in. Tug and a pull. Okay, so this is the airbag off now. I don't know if you guys wanted me to zoom in a bit. Let's just zoom in. Okay, airbag is off. So there's 2 connectors, one for the airbag, one for the horn. So just go ahead, remove the one for the horn, remove the one for the Okay guys, so that is your airbag disconnected. Airbag disconnected. Okay, so let's see. Now you want to get your 24 millimeter socket. And you want to make sure your wheel is perfectly straight. Good. 100% straight. Okay, and then you want to break it. Ow. Not your knee. The bar. That is actually scary how loose that was. That's dangerous. Boy, you're so dangerous. Yeah, you're so dangerous. Yeah. I see you. You're so dangerous. let's pull it off. They usually say you must keep this in and hit it with a hammer because it is rather tight. So let's see. Mine is not that tight. Tight like a tiger. Okay, I hope I have the necessary spacing for these plastics. Okay, now you want to grab your boss kit. Brandon, grab the boss kit. Yeah. Oh, there's some problems over here. I think I have the wrong hub, guys, because there's no space for my connectors for the airbags. So I think this project is going to stand still for a while until I can figure out where to put these connectors. Yeah, this hub doesn't really have provision for it at all. So let's hope that there is one that will make provision for it so that I can get this damn steering wheel on. So join me when I get back with either a new hub or I've made a plan.
2,000 years later.
Very, very, very exciting things happening, guys. So, oh shit, sorry. So the into that car. Okay guys, so the hub adapter that I had to order from America, from Amazon, is finally here. So the courier's at the gate, so I'm just gonna go pick it up. That means I'll be able to install the steering wheel tonight. Guys, officially time to unbox the package. Let's go.
Ooh, what is this? What is that? That's so good. There we go, boys. No paperwork or nothing. Okay, so here we are. Aramox steering wheel, Ford Focus, made in China, bro. Let's open this little beauty. Oh, it's got some city tape on. Great job. Great. Please tell me this is the right one. Yes, it is, boys. It's the right one. Oh yeah, this is definitely going on today. Fuck that shit. Let's go put this on.
Early the next morning.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. I know yesterday I said I was going to install the steering wheel, but I didn't end up doing it. As we get to AJ, so we can go for a little Joel. Since it is like basically holiday now, so yeah, here it is.
And today we're gonna fit it.
Yeah, today we're gonna install it. I got the steering wheel here, I got my socket set, got the Momo quick release, and then I got the hub adapter that I ordered from the US. So yeah, I think let's just get into it. As you can see, I've already been driving around without my airbag, as I took it off previously and to figure out that I had the wrong hub adapter. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay guys, so what you want to get is your 24mm socket. Got an extension on and just crank it loose. Oh shit. I think I need to lock my steering wheel. There you go. Actually getting in the good angle today for you guys. This video will be a bit different compared to other ones. Okay, and then just give it a little tug and shoot them off. Okay, let's get the adapter. Guys, so I unboxed this yesterday, but anyway. You got your little wiring kit for the horn. Hopefully I can figure out how this works. Otherwise I'll just do it later. And we got a hub adapter which has the space for the airbag
and horn switch. So I think all you do is slip it on like that. Then you need your nice big bolt. Whoever made it didn't make it too fucking specifically, eh? Slight play. And get the big bolt inside. Tighten down your big bolt, but please make sure you tighten this thing properly, because you don't want it coming off while driving. As you guys can see, I'm not really, oh shit, that's a bit skew. I'm not really focusing on doing the horn wiring and stuff now. I just want to get this quick release and stuff on. I'm really keen for this. Get your 6 bolts in for the quick release, and then you just want to tighten them down. You'll see the bolts I'm using are a bit longer than the ones that they provide, just because I want it to be really secured down. I don't want any issues with steering wheels coming off, you know. So yeah, just get these tightened, and then you will continue to put on the quick release and then the steering wheel.
One more to go, just that one, baby. Over there.
Over there.
Over there. Oh yeah.
Over there.
Get in there.
Ah, my thumbs are like cramping already. Okay, last one. Okay, put on the quick release Momo on top. You can see right there, very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, now let's get down to business. Let's get these, yeah, just take my fucking feet there in the shot now. Let's get these screws on, cunts. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but this is looking fucking sick. I'm so excited about this. It's been so long, literally 3 months. I've been waiting to get this part, so really satisfied with what's turning out. Thanks to my wonderful cameraman AJ Van Blad. As you guys could see last week, he was having a bad day at the golf course, guys. No, actually he played a really good shot, the one that I recorded. Hey guys, as you can see, OMB steering wheel is in. It's looking mighty fine, looking sweet with the Momo quick release and the hub adapter. So when I get home, I will just be putting back all the plastics after I find the screws. But yeah, I think that's pretty much going to be the end of it for this video. Well, it's not going to be the end of the video. I'll end the video at home after I put the plastics back on, because I can't do an install video and not put everything back together. So yeah, I'll rejoin this video once I'm putting the plastics on. Cold start. I wouldn't recommend driving like this, but this is one of the best parts about having a quick release steering wheel, guys. Safety first. Never drive like that, please, because you will end up in a fucking pole. Snap on. Let's go.
Tomorrow.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the quick release is working perfectly. Now get this adjusted up so that the Momo is on top. There we go. Oh, such a great feeling. Okay, so time to put back the plastics to make this flat equal. Connect it back. In she goes. Okay, this one. Don't remember exactly. This one. To the bottom one. Why doesn't it? Okay, this is still dirty. Here's an ear of dust. It's farther over. This is how you do it. Ba, ba, da, ba. Okay, these connect to each other somehow. Time for the screws, guys. I'm not sure how nicely you guys can see, but I'll try and get the first screw in. Oops. It's a tight fit over here. Again. Oh yeah, and another one. All right, guys, and she is on. She is tight. Ooh. Did you guys just take a look and how beautiful that looks. Looks so good, guys. That's going to bring an end to this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for spending the time watching me fool around doing things to my Ford Figo, to my car. Thank you so much to the guys and girls who have watched this video, who have contributed to the views on the channel. Thank you to everyone personally that has liked and commented on a video. It really does make a difference, and it does help the videos get out there a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for all the support over the last year. I know obviously there's a bunch of different videos on the channel, cinematics and working on the car, but I'm trying to split it between the two, so having cinematic videos that I do and working on the car at the same time. So please do view the other videos as well. Don't just give them a skip. I work really hard on them to try and produce the best results I can. But thank you so much to everyone that has been supporting. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Everyone has a great holiday. I hope you guys rest well, and so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and keep the positive vibes going. They see me rolling, control, they think don't catch me riding dirty. Oh, so good.